Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to go over 4.4, work with charts and objects. We're really going to focus on the try it out section here. So first things first, make sure you have the data. You can download this in Google Classroom. It should be 4.4 data. I've got that here. I'm probably going to break this video up into several sections so that we'll do maybe two of these videos, the pink and the green, and then the yellow and the blue charts. Okay, so here, let's work on the pink shaded worksheet. We're going to format the sheet as follows. Merge and center the titles. Apply any heading style and shading. Just gonna, since we're only these two here, merge and center, heading 1. It's fine. I'll leave the shading. You can change that if you want. Add a comma with no decimals to cell B5. Add a comma. Oh, I think add a comma with no decimals to cell B5. Okay, so we're going to do numbers here, and then no decimals. There we go. Okay, see what I did there? I went to the number format, because previously, so you see, I highlighted these cells, and then the number formatting here, I just went to the comma style, but I went ahead and clicked to decrease decimal to get rid of that. Okay, let's go to step 2. Create a pie chart from the data as follows. Select the cell range A4 to B8. A4, B8. Click Insert on the menu. Choose Pie from the Charts group and Pie from Chart Types. Insert. This is a pie chart. Okay, and then you could pick whichever one, but look, it does give you a preview right away. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go with this one. You can change that if you want. I'm gonna leave that here. Well, so this is an object now. Like we've embedded this within this worksheet. You can move this as needed and edit that as needed. I'm just gonna move this to the side so that we can see. Okay, now add data labels. Step C, a chart title and a legend. Click Add Chart Element on the Design tab. Okay, Design tab, Add Chart Element. Okay, choose Data Labels, Outside End on the drop-down menu. Note that the number of unit displays outside of each section of the pie slices. Again, if we go inside, so you can see like inside, center, and how that like moves that data label, but we're gonna go with outside end. Okay. Next, click Add Chart Element, Chart Title above, and enter the chart title. Okay. Add Element, Chart Title. We're gonna go above chart. Great. Leave that there. And then we're gonna go to click Add Chart Element, Legend, Bottom. Chart Element, Legend, Bottom, and that's there as well. Size the chart and move it to the right of pink shaded worksheet data. Note, be sure the legend remains intact when you resize the chart. You can move this as an object and it can make that smaller because that was a little too big. We had too much white space. Okay. Make sure you save this file. Oh, and I forgot. We probably want to save this. Do a save as. We'll name it as S4.4 dash, we'll just say jump ball dot your name. Okay, shoot. Okay, and that's for this pink sheet right now. And I just want to show you another thing you can do if you want to go ahead and edit some of the information in this. Right? Let's go to design. You want to select this data, and you can actually go ahead and select the data one more time. Oh, actually, sorry about that. Select the data, and then you can go ahead and change this data. And maybe if I wanted all of this here, I click that. That's okay. And notice what changed here was the title because it included jump ball Inc., and then unit sales. And again, that's up to you. Microsoft Excel is smart enough to go ahead and know that that's not like data for the table, so they just edit that title for you. Okay. So okay, let's move on to the second part, the green shaded worksheet. We're going to format the worksheet as follows. Okay, so I'm going to actually shrink that a little bit just for our purposes here. You can leave that, but we're going to focus here on this green table now. Okay, so we're going to format the worksheet as follows. Merge and center the title in row 11, then in row 12. Apply any heading style and shading. Again, I'm going to merge and center because I know that we're going across A, B, and C. Merge and center, jump ball, we'll go cell styles. Make that the title. Unit sales. You can go ahead and make that. We'll just do heading 2 this time around. Okay, and again, you can change the color however you want. Like again, you can just kind of change the color as needed, but like this is, I'm okay with that. All right, so step 2, create a column chart from the data as follows. Okay, select the range cells A14 to C18. A14 to C18. Click Insert on the menu. Choose Column from the Charts group, which is this. Then 2D Clustered Column. 2D Clustered Column. Just to make sure, like, so if you hover over, you can see right here. Okay, I think that's what we want. Okay, add the chart elements as shown in the illustration. Note, you can use quick layout number 9 to include all the elements required for this chart, then edit the text box as that. So then you can go, so like, that's what they mean here. These are different like chart styles here. So you can go ahead and actually go to chart style 9, which I think is this, or quick layout 9. You know what? Let's go back here. Quick layout. This is what I meant. My bad. This was a styles. This is the layout. Layout number 9 here, and that's how quick that is, right? You can use that layout function here, and then you want to go ahead and edit that as needed. Okay, so I went layout 9. Sorry, got my son here. He's bothering me while I'm trying to record this video. Okay, so a couple things. We use quick layout 9, and again, you can change that however you need. You can pick a different one if you want, but let's go ahead and continue. Enter the chart title as jump ball. Okay, we can edit this. Oh, unit sales dash January. I'm gonna say to February. I'm just using text for that. January to February. Okay, done. Set this to size 14. I double clicked and this opened up here, but we can just change that here. 14. Okay, we're okay there. Okay, size the chart and move it to the right of the screen. I want to make sure that I have, let's see, my labels correct. Okay, so again, axis title here, and let's go back to our design here. Okay, we can see axis title. We can change some of this. I wonder if we could go axis title options. So you can change how that looks, but we know this is going to be units. This is going to be products down here. Okay, we can format this. We can add data labels. I'm going to do outside, and I'm going to leave that there. Okay, and make those numbers on top. Chart title. Let's see, above chart, that's fine. I think we're okay there. So maybe one thing that I would do is I just bold that. Bold it, even this too. Bold that. Okay. All right, and I think that's it. So this is a chart for this green one, and we've got this pie chart here for this pink one, and that wraps up this video. We'll go over the yellow and the blue in the next video.